project with contributors in a range of time zones from Boston to Qatar, Helsinki, Zug, London, and Melbourne. I've never been to any of those places, but if you've been there, leave in the comments, put a W in the comments today because we are winning today. Every day we are winning. We got life, we're alive. It's another voyage. Welcome to the Passive D Life Express. This is your skipper D Life here. Don't forget to come on over and leave a follow me on Twitter. And don't forget to leave a subscribe, comment, and a like on today's video. Today we're back with the new months with our utility projects. That's right, our masternode projects. Started off with pre-search about a day or two ago. And now we are with Streamr DCAing into these projects and getting the minimum amount what is needed in order to get yourself a node. So stream data, of course, that's a quick little introductory there to stream. And we'll jump on over to the network. There's a lot of information here. The Streamr Data Network is a decentralized topic-based publish subscribe system. Each stream or pub subtopic has its own peer-to-peer overlay network that is built, maintained, and set by BitTorrent. BitTorrent, one of my favorite tokens. Light trackers, development and still progress with Burback as current milestones. So right now, currently we have 4,136 nodes. Good much, not bad. And jumping on over to the charts, right now Streamr is at 0.039, just shy under 4 cents. So of course, all of this, is not financial advice. This is only my journey here that I am sharing with my crew members and passengers. Thank you so much for all of the new subscribers, aka crew members. Can't forget you. And we are speculating the day on the charts. Let's go ahead and check out the overview. Right now, we've got some bullish action. We've got some buys coming in. And we're going to join. Oh my gosh, look at that. Woo! Why couldn't we got down here a few last week? Well, we're buying high. You know what they say, buy low, sell high. Don't buy high. But I'm FOMOing right now. And what I do like about the stream data, there has been a token migration. So this is the old token. This is now the new token, the new data token. And that new data token is now monthly chain. So it started off just on the Ethereum chain, but now you can get on here with the Binance and the Polygon chain. So I will be probably using up both of those chains because I have Polygon and I also got BNB. But today we'll just be showcasing our BNB transaction. We'll be using our BNB because we're going to use the decentralized swap today to get some data tokens. And it's going to be on the Matic. So Matic or BNB, I don't think it does, it shouldn't matter. But because I want to use a decentralized swap today, I will just go ahead and showcase this. But yesterday, I did jump on to my Binance account and I did get myself some data. So here in the Brave browser, I got 732. And I do think there is a threshold, but then again, I don't think. I think you can have as much data tokens you could use to stake and or put them in your wallet when you get your node started. But I do stand to be corrected. I think the minimum was 10,000 data tokens. So 10,000 data tokens. It's gonna cost us about $300 odd. That should be about 380 or 390 since we're close to 4 cents. Let's jump in. $10,400 now. So price just went up. But that's just my round number. I would like to get 10,000 data tokens, even if, of course, you could use 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 in order to put in your wallet to run your node. That's the way it works. So we're going to jump on over to Rango. I got some BNB in my wallet. Let's go ahead and connect the wallet. And I am going to swap some BNB for the data token. But let's just double check now and look at the markets. Because I want to say that Uniswap, I think Uniswap is only Ethereum based. I don't think that you could switch over to the Binance Smart Chain on Uniswap, but then again, all decentralized exchanges you could swap for any network. That is the beauty to them. So let's see how it will go. So what we want to do is choose the. All right, so there we go. We can choose Polygon. We can choose Optimism, Arbitrum. These are the other networks that are available. So it looks like it's only Polygon. So Polygon is going to be our main network that we're going to be using to get our data token. So we'll close that out. And let's jump into the exchange. So go ahead and connect the wallet. And this will probably be part 1 or part 2 once we do get the Polygon, because sometimes the tokens can take a while to reach in your wallet. So we're going to swap 0.1 BNB to Matic. We're going to use Matic from the BSC to Polygon. It's going to be Matic. Just type in Matic right here. Boom. As you see, we've showcased this before for our stable fund wallet. So we're going to use 0.1 BNB. 0.1 BNB. That's going to give us about 31 Matic. And we're going to go in and we're going to swap that. Yep. From the BSC to the Polygon wallet. Yep. That's what we're going to do. Output amount changed to 30.7. So, yep, we'll continue. And we're going to confirm that swap. Boom. So we'll wait for that swap to come over. I did not look to see how long it's going to take, but let's just run through the medium. Hopefully that will just read some of the articles on the migration and why they did choose to migrate to a new contract address. All right, we'll wait for that to go through. All right, so old data token, new data token. So now, reasons. So, the recent governance votes and S5P-1 data holders decided to move to a new token smart contract along with some technical improvements. That updated token smart contract enables the token supply to be increased based on decisions made by the governance process. So it was governance that allowed them to go ahead and do that, and so they would be able to get more tokens and all that good stuff. So for D-Life, it's now in the Polygon and it's now in the BSC network. So pretty much definitely prefer that than the Ethereum network with the gas fees. So let's go ahead and let's pay this. Let's just confirm it right here. That is our gas fee for the swap. Awesome. So we got that contract pending now. Not contract, we got that transaction pending. Okay, so that went through. So both the old and new tokens are on the ERC20 compatible. So if you're still on Ethereum, you could still use it. And simple just like that. So once we get our node hooked up, we will be being able to earn passive income with data and earning data tokens. Now, for me, for D-Life, the speculator, D-Life the speculator, that's what I am today. On all of these utility platforms, I do think in the long run, these tokens, you know, especially if they run into caps and they say, well, hey, look, can't create any more nodes, or, you know, that's it. So that means that is somewhat of a supply and demand. Possibly you might even be able to sell your nodes like an NFT. And what you pay to create a node now, when somebody else might want a node so badly because of the profitability and just the demand, I'm just saying, maybe nodes could be sold for 5, 10x the price. So I'm looking at this as a long-term strategy here. And let's go to the all-time max chart. So all-time highs were up. We were up at 18 cents, and right now we are getting a 80% discount, just like on, let's see, that was pre-search. But as you can see, not a huge percentage run here. 83% was a run up, and that was only about 2 months ago, the all-time low. And so, in other words, they started off high. They started from the left, and they started down at the right. So right now, technically, we are kind of like in the beginning phase right now at these prices, not at 2 cents, but man, if we get at 2 cents, that would be awesome. But I'm looking at a 17,000%, possibly, or maybe even a 1,000% gain with stream data. Like if we could just get 1% of that 17,000% like what we experienced with pre-search, that would be amazing. That would be amazing for the price. If the market cap right now is at, where's our market cap? We don't have a market cap, but let's just say if the market cap is 10 million, if we could 10x and go to 10 billion, then we're looking at almost a 40 cents token. If my numbers are correct. Of course, D-Life is not a mathematician, but it is what it is. But let's go on ahead now and let's just check out the rest of the article. So the new token is secure, and also data is on centralized exchanges. You can get it off centralized exchanges, as you did see I got some off Binance. So that is just a quick look at the Medium article. This will be in the description, so you can go ahead and read through it if you do find value in the Streamr data token and the network. So let's go ahead now and check out. Okay, we've got that Matic in here. Awesome. And once it looks like it, let's go ahead and switch over to the Polygon network. And let's see if we can do this swap live, and then we're out of here until our next transaction and until we get that node set up. I'm contemplating if I'm going to put it on my Mac or put it on one of my other worker machines, or if I'm going to probably put it on a VPS. I do not know. If you do have your stream data tokens and you do have a node, let me know how you're running your node. Leave it in the comments, besides leaving a W. So YouTube really likes comments. Now, I don't get to all the comments all the time, but what you crew members and passengers could do for me is just leave a like and then go to the comments and just click a W, because we want to win, and that is the voyage. We are winning. Even if we lose, we're still sticking to winning. So leave that W in the comments for me, crew members and passengers. I would greatly appreciate that. Let's do it for the YouTube algorithm. All right, so we got our 30 Matic in here. Now let's go ahead and let's do that swap. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this token address, the Polygon token address. We're just going to come over here to the Polygon scan, 18,000 addresses, just to make sure we have the right address. First 4, last 4. Let's copy that. Let's go back over to quickswap. Make sure your wallet is connected. Paste the address in the select a token. All right, that is not coming up. Let's go ahead and let's search. Make sure that we are. Let's go ahead and search it. Let's put in Streamr. A lot of times. Okay, let's go. We're gonna choose Matic, and then we're gonna. Oh no. Matic. And we're going to go back to the contract address. Let's copy it. Quick swap. Select a token. Search a name or paste the address. There we go. Data. We're going to add that. And right now, if we max out we are going to have 690 data tokens for our Matic swap. We're going to go ahead and swap that. As we can see, WMatic to USDC to data, 690 data. Our slippage is 0.5%, not bad. We'll swap. So 30 Matic over to 694 data. Now the symbol isn't updated, so you can't confirm that you've got the right data, but we did go to the contract address that we did get from hopefully these reliable sources, CoinGecko and the Polygon scan. So we will go ahead now and confirm this swap. And then we'll import the token, and then that token should show up in our address, and then we are done. So they are charging us a gas fee of 0.019 Matic. So we're gonna have to reject that. We can't use all because we're gonna need gas fees. I totally forgot about that. So we're going to use 29 Matic. We're gonna use 29 Matic. 29 Matic, and then we should be able to have enough for the gas fees. Let's go ahead and swap that. And now let's see if we have the gas fees. Enough for gas fee. And we are been submitted. Submitted transaction to swap your tokens. And we can view it on the block explorer, but we don't need to do that. We'll just close that, and we're waiting for the swap process. Let's see how long that's gonna take. Boom, that was quick and easy. Successfully swapped your tokens. Now we're gonna go ahead and add this to our MetaMask wallet. Import the token, and then those data tokens should be showed up in our address. So we're gonna go to assets. We're gonna go to import tokens. Get that contract address. Okay, that is the wrong contract address. We are going to paste the right one again. Copy. And back to MetaMask. And import those tokens. Okay, it's putting in two wallet addresses. We've got an issue. So usually in the quickswap they have a automatic way for it to be added. So let's see. Let's go ahead and see if we'll be able to add it straight to our address. Okay. Let's go ahead and add it again. Import. It's doing the wrong thing. So we're gonna have to do this. Wait a minute. Copy. And then now we'll go again. And hopefully now we should just be able to paste that, and that's it. All right, there we go. Data, add the custom token. Boom, we've got our 671 data tokens. We are on our way to 10,000 data tokens, crew members and passengers. Hopefully I'll be able to get that 10,000, but I will double check back into the documents over with Streamr, and that shows you exactly how to start up your node, how to run the node, all of that good stuff. We will be doing a tutorial on that. There is probably some sensitive information there that I probably won't be able to share, so we might have to do just a how do we call that? Just a little demonstration of how it's done. But I will be double checking to make sure that 10,000 is that limit into the documents over here. And that is DLife showing you how to get your Streamr data tokens. You could go ahead and check out my last video, but it was about 2 months ago, on my introduction to the Streamr data network and all of its utility and why I like the network. So, DLife over and out. Stay safe, stay tuned to the next one.